Hey girly mamas, I'm back with another video. Finally, I've decided I'm making videos every Sunday now. That's my New Year's resolution. I'm not starting it on New Year's, I'm starting it today. So shut your ass up. But yeah, I'm gonna try upload a video every Sunday. I uploaded a vlog last Sunday and now I'm gonna upload this makeup video. I haven't made a makeup video in ages, so hope you like it. But yeah, as y'all can see, I'm filling in my brows with my Anastasia dip brow pomade in dark brown. I used to use chocolate and now I'm using dark brown. I kind of prefer it. The chocolate looks kind of purple, I don't know why, but yeah, now I use dark brown. I kind of prefer it. I got these new concealers in the post. They are the MAC 24-hour concealers. I don't know, they're very matte and they do not move, so I mix it with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, which is a lot more creamy, and it just allows me to, I don't know, it's just easier because the matte concealer, it dries to a very matte finish and it dries quickly, so if you don't blend it, you've got unblended concealer on your face for the rest of your life. So I just mix it with LA Girl to make it a little bit easier, because I'm doing my eyebrows and it just kind of takes long. It's not a quick process. So yeah, and I'm just using LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn just to cover any blemishes, and also I'm gonna conceal the top of my brows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. Yeah, should I do the rest of this makeup tutorial in ASMR? I've been wanting to make an ASMR video, but I just haven't, so the matte concealer is in the shade NC42, I believe. I'm not too sure, I can't remember, but yeah. So after I've done that, I just blend it all out to make it look all beautiful. And that's just still the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. As you can see, it has really evened out all my blemishes and it looks amazing. And right now I'm adding my foundation, which is my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation stick in 173. It's my favorite foundation. It's a little bit light for me. I'm still a tinsy wincy bit tanned from summer, so it's still, I'm just a bit tanned, like, because normally it's like my perfect shade, but it's a tiny bit light, so I've been mixing it with something darker. But as you can see, I've got like individual lashes on, so I can't like blend over my eyes with my beauty blender because it will just mash up my eyelashes, so I gotta use a brush. And I'm using the same concealers that I use on my brows, the MAC 24-hour concealer in the shade NC42 and my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn or yellow and yellow. What did I just put on? I don't even remember what I just did. If it was the light one, it was the yellow. Yeah, and I'm just really simply and easily blending that out because, you know, that's what you need to do. That's what you need to do, sweetie. And I always blend it over my eyelids, and that kind of just conceals your eyelids, obviously, and it always like creates a base for your eyeshadow, and that's what I always do, you know, that's what I always do. So yeah, and now I'm contouring my face with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cocoa. Same brush as my foundation, and it kind of just helps to blend the contour a little easier, so you know. Getting that jawline, getting it. Why do I think people ask me sometimes, why are you putting it under your lip? Like, basically it kind of creates a shadow under your lip, which gives the effect of a bigger bottom lip, because my top lip's bigger than my bottom and I kind of like to even it out. Yo, I don't contour my nose. I kind of just use whatever products on a brush and I just bronze it. But yeah, this is my new favorite product. It's the MAC Prep and Prime Highlighter Light Boost. It kind of just like brightens whatever area you put it on, and it blends out super easy. It's not like a very full coverage concealer, but it just really brightens it somehow. It's just amazing. I love it. As you can probably see, it just really brightens it. So I do that. I love it. And I'm back to using Sacha Buttercup. I was using Laura Mercier for a while, like not even too long, maybe 2 months, and I absolutely hated it. Laura Mercier makes me Caucasian and I'm not here for it, so you know, I had to come back to my amazing holy grail. I've been using it for like 5 years. Sacha Buttercup. It is the best powder. Like I literally have been using it for years and I've never switched. And then I was like, let me try Laura Mercier because everyone uses it and everyone else is paying. So I tried it and I played myself. It was a waste of money. I do not like it. It makes me ashy. I don't know how people darker than me use it and don't look ashy, because even I look ashy and I'm not that dark. So yeah, it's just shambles. I really don't like that powder. I don't like it. But the Sacha Buttercup, I recommend it to everyone. It's amazing. And if you're of a light skin tone, obviously the yellow might be too intense. They have a lighter shade which is more closer to like the banana powder color one, like just like a really pale yellow color, and it's gonna be better for your skin. So you can also purchase that. It's my favorite powder. Oh, I'm not even watching what I'm doing. This is the Studio Fix powder in NC45, and I just apply that to the rest of my skin, so just places that don't have my Sacha Buttercup, for really nice matte skin. And this contour palette is from Boohoo and it's actually really good, and I've been using it for about a year now and it hasn't finished. So yeah, I really like it. And I just go over all the areas that I cream contoured with. I always double contour, it just makes it look so much nicer. And as you guys can see right now, I'm bronzing my eyelids. I always do this step. It kind of acts as a transition shade if you're doing eyeshadow, but if you're not doing eyeshadow, it kind of just gives your eyes a nice like brown shadow contour eyed thingy look. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, and I'm also contouring my lips and my nose really quickly. Not contouring, I just like to add a bit of brown so I look nice and bronzed. You feel me? And now I'm blending that powder in and taking the excess off, and as you guys can see, it looks really nice, really smooth. Hopefully you can see that. Doing your makeup with individual eyelashes is not fun. It's not easy. That's why I always hate getting them, but I love it at the same time, because like when you're not wearing makeup it's all fun, but then when you're putting your makeup on it's absolutely a joke and it's just impossible. But yeah, this is the same Boohoo palette, and I'm just adding the lighter shade to again brighten my under eyes. How bright do you want to go? Do you want to be Caucasian? Fuck, like, I'm joking, but I really like my under eyes to be really bright because I think it looks really pretty and cute and sweet and amazing. Yeah. I'm applying my flipping Morphe palette, blush palette thing. I can't remember what it's called. I really like it. As you can see, it's really subtle. It's not very pigmented, but I kind of like that because when you have really pigmented blush, it looks a bit mad sometimes. But yeah. Yeah. Highlighting my nose using the, what's it called? Lime Crime Opal palette, my favorite palette. I've been using it for like 2 years. It does not finish ever. Like, I've had it for so long. I've literally got 5 of them, like different ones. I've got the Opal, I've got the Mermaid, Angels. I love them all. I love Lime Crime. It's my favorite brand ever. By the way, it's 3 a.m. My voice is very croaky and disgusting. Yeah, hope you guys don't mind. I'm glowing. Yes, we know that. Hello, Samuel Jefferson, my girly mama. I missed you so much. He always comes and plays with his mom. The girly mama. Oh, next step, brows. Oh, hello again. My BFF. For my brows, I'm using the NYX brow gel in the color dark brown, I think. I don't know. I always love using a brow gel. It just kind of defines the hairs and makes your brows look more natural and hairy instead of just like you've got like a something on them. It just gives the hair definition. It looks amazing to me. I use any brow gel, like that's just what I had on hand. I think they're all the same. I've never seen a brow gel that actually looks any different. Like, they all look the same to me. But yeah. Now, these lip pencils from Lime Crime were amazing. Like, they last for so long and I love them to death. They sent me like all the colors and I just love them. Like, they're matte and they do not budge. Like, you can give some fellatio with these and they won't come off. Like, serious. Like, these just don't come off. I love them. And if you like add a motherfucking liquid lipstick. Why did I could not remember what it was called. It lasts for even longer, because you know liquid lipsticks don't like coming off either. So yeah, if you go on a date, I recommend you get some liquid lipstick and this lime crime fucking lip pencil. I can't remember what it's called. I'll probably put it in the description, but if I remember. Yeah. Oops, time for my beauty spots. I don't know what this pen is called. I think it's by Eyeliner or something, and it's like a brow pen, but it's brown obviously. And I do my beauty spots with it because I think it looks really good. Don't do your beauty spots with black eyeliner because it just looks fake. Even though these brown ones look fake, it just looks a little bit more realistic. So yeah, it's like a really dark brown, but when it's just completely black, it just looks a bit mad still. So yeah, use a nice dark brown color and it'll look amazing. Yeah, what we doing? Oh, Freckles. So for Freckles, same old method that I used to do, using a bobby pin and my Morphe palette. It's got like this brown shade in it. I use any brown, basically any brown eyeshadow. You can even use a bronzer. It depends on your skin tone. Just use a darker brown powder than your skin, and then you just dip the bobby pin in it, and then you put it on your face, and it looks amazing. Then you blend it out with a beauty blender to soften the freckles. Yeah. So as I said, doing flipping eyeliner with eyelashes on already is not the one. It's really hard. Like, this is why I hate individuals. It's just a nightmare. Like, it's a genuine nightmare. But it looks easy in this video, but it was a nightmare. If you've worn individuals and you're trying to put eyeliner on, you know it's actually a struggle. Like, yeah. My everyday under eye dots, I do these every single day. I love them so much. I feel like they make my eyes just pop. And obviously my individuals are looking very dusty because of my concealer and foundation and powder that's on them. So I got to coat them in mascara. It's not recommended to wear mascara on them, but they was coming to an end anyway, so you know, I'm gonna just apply that. Who the fuck be texting me though? Okay, it's a group chat. Nobody be texting me. I'm lonely as fuck. And we have now reached the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna try upload every Sunday. If I don't, y'all can beat my ass. Okay, thank you. All my social media links will be down below. Please follow and subscribe and all of that good stuff, and leave a comment down below and tell me what you think, thought, whatever. Thanks for watching. Bye, girly mamas.